Hello, this is my lab project. My project is to pretty much display the flex angle, and I also try to put on the flex resistance as well, and plus the ADC value. Unfortunately, it does work, but it doesn't. It just fluctuates the values a lot more randomly, since I couldn't find the correct configuration on how to put the resistance. But here's my code. My VCC is set at 5, and I had the resistor. I have a 4.7 k ohm resistor, but I'm not sure if I should get another one. And I have been having trouble to find the correct configuration so that the terminal doesn't go completely bonkers. So here's my code, and I set the PDIR for the red LED, and I set out my V out, or my output, to A4. I can also put the inch 5 right here, since that's could also be an analog output as well. And here's my formulas that I use. I basically just used the voltage divider to make it a lot easier, and I also used for the LED. I just used it to display the frequency. So I sort of got the frequency code from Lab 10, so I just adapted that through the angle. So as I bend the angle to, like, I don't know, 50 or 60 degrees, the LED should light a lot slower, at a slower frequency rate, but it likes to go random sometimes. And so I'll show you my demonstration in a bit. Here's my circuit. It is a basic voltage divider. And the output would be this wire, which will be connected to a A4 right here. And so if we want to connect, here's the program working, and as you can see, the angle is at 0, and it's just showing random numbers because, as I said earlier, it's really hard to get it to work like I wanted it to. But I'm not sure what type of resistor would help alleviate this problem I've been having, but at least sort of works a little bit. But as you can see, it says angle of 0 because I'm not bending it. And so as I bend it, oh my god, it's real slippery. As I bend it, the LED is going a little bit slower, but it likes to buffer out. I'm guessing that's a little bit of background noise. I'm trying to hold it like around 50 degrees. It does say there's a 40. Okay, so it usually tries to spew around like 40 or 32 degrees or 24 degrees somewhat, but this I'm not sure why it's really super inaccurate right now, but the fact is, at least I was able to display the angle somewhat when I sort of bent it around that angle. And it was really hard to at least figure out a way to place it onto the terminal, since I had to use a pass-by value for this float map right here. And just display, I've tried to figure a way to make it from 0 to 90 degrees, but in some parts of it, it did work, but I'm not sure why it's not working right now. And this is my lab project, and I'm Hugo Mandela.